Rule number 5, no backup plan.
Hello, Tom. I know about your success, about your YouTube channel. I am sure that you are going to be expanding and growing more and more. Saludos, Tomás.
Do you know anybody that makes a lot of plans? You know, plan A, plan B, plan C, plan D, plan E. If plan A doesn't work, let's go to plan B. If plan B doesn't work, let's go to plan C. If plan C doesn't work, let's go for plan D. Do you know people like that? And how many of them are actually truly successful, right? I made so many videos about this. You can go check out my channel. But the fact of the matter is that if you truly want to be successful in what you do not have any backup plans. The reason for that is because when you think about your backup plans, you're planning to fail, right? And we say, thought becomes reality. That's rule number 1. When we plan to fail, thought becomes reality. When you're doing plan A and you're already thinking about plan B and you're already thinking about your plan A is going to fail, guess what will happen? Your plan A will fail because thought becomes reality. That's our rule number 1, right? So you do not have any backup plans, right? The reason why Elon Musk, the reason why Arnold Schwarzenegger, the reason why all those people are truly successful, and they talk about this as well, and it's all in my channel. You can also find what they say on YouTube, right? The reason why they're successful is that they do not have backup plans, right? They decided what they want to do, and they just put in 100%, 120% even, and they just follow that goal and until they get there. They do not have a backup plan. It is only when we, put in 100% focus on making that plan successful that it happens, right? When we are thinking about 5 different plans, most likely all plans will fail. So no backup plans, take fucking action. Don't be a fucktard. Don't have plan A, B, C, D, E. Those things don't help you. Have one plan and put in 100% of your time, effort, energy, and make it happen.